Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is the unboxing video of the Bomann freezer GB 7236. So this is the box. I just received it. It's I think it's a German brand. It comes from Germany. I bought stuff from Bomann before and I had no problems with it. I know Bomann already for 20 years. Not everything is perfect that they have, but they have good products. So we go to unbox it now. This is the box. So yes, we go to unbox it now. Voila. This is what is inside. This is all packaging. So this is the freezer. Yes, we go to open the door. This is the door inside of it. Yes, this is the freezer. You can choose here the temperature, ice cubes, some paper. Yes, this is it. There is quite some space in it. I believe 40 liters. So you can put 40 liters into it. I hope you like my video and don't forget to subscribe because we are giving away nice prizes. We are giving away laptops, Bluetooth stuff, Bluetooth speakers, computer stuff, telephones. We are giving that away to subscribers of our channel. You only have to subscribe to our channel and you will get notified when you win something. So don't forget to subscribe and also please like the video because we depend on that. Thank you.